Hello everyone, I welcome you all to yet another discussion session of the CAT 2023, and in today's class we will be taking up the slot 3 of CAT 2023 paper. So let's get started with the questions. Ninth one, it says a boat takes 2 hours to travel downstream a river from port A to port B. This is downstream and the boat takes 2 hours and 3 hours to return. This will be upstream and the time taken is 3 hours. Another boat takes a total of 6 hours to travel from port B to port A and return to port B. If the speeds of the boats and the river are constant, then the time in hours taken by the slower boat would obviously be the second boat, because it's taking 6 hours for the round trip, whereas the first boat has taken 5 hours for the round trip. So he's asking us that the time in hours taken by the slower boat to travel from port A to port B is. See, think about the slower boat. When it's going from B to A, it's going upstream. While coming back, it will be coming back in downstream movement. Now, what is speed of the stream here? We have no clear clue about that. Let's assume some value for that. So let's suppose the speed of the stream is V, the usual assumption, and speed of the first boat is U. We'll talk about second boat little later. So that means while going from left to right, the speed downstream we know is U plus V, and similarly while coming back, speed upstream will be U minus V. Speed of the boat minus speed of the stream. Okay. So it takes 2 hours to travel from A to B. So that means what is the distance A to B? So can I say that will be nothing but speed into time. So time is given to be 2 into speed will be speed downstream. That can also be written as distance between B to A. That will be nothing but speed into time. Time is 3 hours into speed will be U minus V. So that means these two expressions correspond to the same distance. So thus they can be equated. So when you equate them, what do we get? 2U plus 2V will be equal to 3U minus 3V. So when you simplify, U will become 5V. That's the relation that we have between speed of the first boat and speed of the stream. See, once we get this information, speed of the first boat and speed of the stream, the relation is, the ratio is, the speeds are in the ratio 5:1. Let us assume speed of the stream to be 1 kmph. If I take speed of the stream to be 1 or say V only, let's take it as V only, let's not try to get confused, let's take it as V only. So speed of the first boat will be 5V. So that means downstream speed will be 6V, and hence can I say this distance will be nothing but 2 into 6, which is 12V kilometers. This will be 12V kilometers. So that means the second boat while traveling will be traveling the same distance 12V only. Now let us assume speed of the second boat is some x. So if speed of second boat is x, so I know the distance between AB is 12V, okay, and speed of the second boat is x we said. So that means while going here its speed will be x plus V, while coming back its speed will be x minus V. So can we say the total time taken is 6 hours for the second boat. So what will be time taken for the onward journey B to A? It will be distance by speed. For return journey, distance by speed. So this is given to be as 6 hours. So when you simplify, we can take out 12V common. In fact, we can cancel out the 6 2 times. I can take out 2V common. When you take the LCM, denominator will be x square minus V square. And here it will be x minus V plus x plus V, which is 2x. So here when you simplify, it will be x square minus 4Vx minus V square should be 0. It's a quadratic as we see in x. X is the unknown here, speed of the second boat. So what will be the value of x here? The speed of the second boat, that will be nothing but I am using quadratic equation formula, minus b plus or minus root over b square 16v square minus 4ac, that will be plus 4 into 1 into minus v square plus 4v square. And of course, the moment I write this is 20v square, it cannot be negative, right? Think about it. It is only 4v minus root 20 v square will be negative. Speed cannot be negative. So let's not take the minus sign there. By 2. So 4v by 2, 2v plus this is root 20v square. So I can take out 4v square outside. So that will be 2v into root 5 by 2, which when simplified will become v root 5. So this is going to be speed of the second boat. I think this is what he's asking us. Let's check. No, he's asking us time. The time in hours taken by the slower boat to travel from port A to port B. Now we know our speed of the second boat. We also know the distance. So thus can I say my answer will be nothing but the distance by speed of the second boat, which is v into. By the way, while coming from A to B, right? Yeah. A to B, it is downstream movement. So downstream movement, what would be its speed? Speed of the stream will be added to this, right? So plus v also. So if I take v common, 3 plus root 5. So we will cancel out. And when you try to rationalize the denominator here, let's multiply with 3 minus root 5 and divide by 3 minus root 5. What do we get? This is 12 into 3 minus root 5 upon, this is 3 square, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5 is 4. So it's 3 into 3 minus root 5 hours. So my answer choice 3 into 3 minus root 5 hours, that is option choice 4, should be the correct answer.